welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making chickpea balls and marinara sauce.
Yes, looks delicious. It's from the Make Ahead Vegan Cookbook. First time we're using this cookbook. Recipe super duper easy. Coconut oil, a quarter cup of white onion, 2 cans of chickpeas, half a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. That's it. And then you can use whatever marinara sauce you want. You're gonna put all of your ingredients into a food processor, blend it up, should have a base where you can start molding your chickpea balls. Ta-da! You can use it for pasta or you can use it for finger foods. Choice is yours. Or meatball sandwiches. You can do a meatball sub. So yeah, versatile and super easy to make. So let's get started. There goes our pepper. Salt. The other teaspoon of salt. Coconut oil. Yep, gotta get a little aggressive with that one. Let me help you out there. Come out! Yeah, there we go. All right, next.
Onions.
Onions, yep, quarter cup of onions. And our whole wheat flour. And now we're gonna blend all of that up. This is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. Now the instructions say to saute your onions with your coconut oil, but I just added everything into the food processor and blended it up. Then you're gonna throw it in your oven for about 30 minutes on 350 and they should be ready to go. You can pour your marinara sauce right after. That's what it should look like when it's all cooked and marinara layered on it. Gonna try it. Not bad, but it does have a very strong chickpea taste, so maybe we can play with the recipe. What do you rate it, Lo? 1 out of 10?
4.
4? That's pretty low, man. I give it about a 7. It needs better flavor, so I'm gonna detour from the recipe book and add my own spices. See if we can fix it. Maybe sauteing the onions first would have been a good idea. I think that's the step we missed, Mr. Lowe. We missed the sauteing of the onion, but we just put it all together with the coconut oil. But it's not bad, but it's a very strong chickpea taste. So yeah, we'll play with the seasonings and try it again next time. But hope you guys enjoy it. Till next time.
Have a sweet day.
There he goes.